Let's learn 8 super useful hand action verbs you'll see everywhere. Number 1, slap. To hit someone with an open hand. Example, he slapped his forehead when he remembered. Number 2, punch. To hit with a closed fist. Example, the boxer punched the bag hard. Number 3, wave. To move your hand to greet somebody. Example, she waved to her friend across the street. Number 4, pinch. To squeeze something between your fingers. Example, he pinched his cheek to wake up. Number 5, pat. To gently tap someone with your hand. Example, she patted the baby's back softly. Number 6, flick. To hit something lightly with your finger. Example, he flicked the chess piece off the board. Number 7, snap. To make a sharp clicking sound with your fingers. Example, she snapped her fingers to get attention. Number 8, tickle. To touch someone in a way that makes them laugh. Example, the baby laughed when he got tickled. These hand action verbs are simple, natural, and super common in daily English. Which one did you already know? Keep learning with English Fix Up.